In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert table in WPS Office. Welcome and thank you for watching. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the complete process of creating and editing tables using the WPS Office desktop app. This walkthrough is designed to help you confidently work with tables in your documents. To begin, open the WPS Office desktop application on your computer. Once the app is open, click on Docs to access your Documents section. From there, click the plus sign to create a new document. You may choose to start with a template if you prefer, but for this video, we will begin with a blank document so you can clearly see how everything works from scratch. Once the blank document opens, look at the top menu and click on Insert. From the Insert options, select Table. A grid will appear, allowing you to choose the number of columns and rows you want for your table. Move your cursor across the grid until you reach the size that fits your needs, then click to insert the table into your document. Once the table is placed, you can start customizing it. You can type text directly into each cell and organize your information however you like. If you want to merge cells, highlight the cells you want to combine, then go to the top menu and click on Merge Cells. This is useful when you want to create a title or a wider section within your table. You can also remove unnecessary rows or columns. To delete a column, highlight the column, right-click, and select Delete Columns. To remove a row, highlight the row, right-click, choose Delete Cells, and then select Delete Entire Row. This gives you full control over the table layout as your content changes. In addition to editing rows and columns, you can draw lines inside your table. Using the Draw Table option, you can manually add lines to specific cells, columns, or rows. Simply draw where you want the line to appear, and WPS Office will place it exactly where you need it. This feature is helpful for creating custom table designs or separating information clearly. Once your table is set up, explore the other table tools available in WPS Office. Adjust formatting, spacing, and layout until everything looks just right. Take your time and be creative as you work. That is how you can insert and fully customize a table in WPS Office on desktop. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.